qbites meal plan always goes out 7 days into the future and is continuously updated. If you don't like a food, simply swipe, get a new suggestion, and it updates that automatically. Entering food has never been easier. Simply tap the consume button and just say how much your child ate. qbites also contains cutting-edge diet quality measures, including some novel ones like the qcal invented by our founding team. You can also track your child's height and growth status over time to make sure they're always on the right track. Just enter in the data anytime in our app. qbites has a number of different cuisines that you can select from as preferences for your child, so you can always be sure to meet the unique preferences. Over 24 in our system currently. You can change them at any time in our settings. You can also view the most popular recipes added by other qbites customers. Or you can add your own by tapping the Add Recipe button, and then view and see how it looks.